Hello, everyone. Welcome to the syllabus for Frisbee 101. I'm going to assume that you followed the instructions and you have already read through and reviewed the syllabus that is located here within the Brightspace course. So just as a refresher, when you first log into the course, Frisbee 101, you'll be here. You are provided some widgets on the course page. You have the content browser and course updates. You won't have this role switch thing. That's just for me because I'm the instructor. Course updates, you'll be seeing some news items that I post there and any updates. For example, when your final grades have come in, your midterm grades, any quiz grades, prompts, and any activities that are going to be happening in the Madison, Wisconsin area in regards to disc-based sports, whether it's disc golf or ultimate frisbee. And then first of all, you want to navigate to the content tool in Brightspace. That's where everything in this course is located. So you can do that either within this widget here or by clicking Content Browser or the Content tool here at the top. Either way, give you a whole bunch of options to get to the Content tool. Here we are in Unit 0. Unit 0 is simply introductions to the course, syllabus, etc. You'll find all the vital information for the logistics of this course in Unit 0, including what I'm reviewing currently, which is the syllabus. So I'm going to click on this, and that takes us to the syllabus, and here we go. At the top, you'll see a syllabus review quiz after I've created it, which I'm doing right now, and you'll have to watch this video and interact with some quiz questions that pop up as you're watching it. The whole goal here is for you to understand the content of the syllabus. So the grade for the syllabus video quiz will not be recorded in the grade book, but I will be tracking stats just to make sure everyone has reviewed the video and answered all the questions 100% correct. So it's for your own benefit to review the video quiz a bunch of times and go over the syllabus. All right, now with that quick introduction, let's hop into the actual syllabus itself. So I know you've read a few things here and there, but I want to make sure and to emphasize a few key points. So we have our first course description right here. That's pretty straightforward, right? It's a kinesiology-based course that involves Frisbee. That's why we're all here. Next, I wanted to expand on my method of instruction. My method of instruction is very much informal, and I want us to all get to know each other and have fun and connect our daily lives to this kinesiology course through Frisbee. So I really want us to all get involved and have impromptu conversations and really share information about our activities and what we're doing and how it connects to our bodies and how we play Frisbee together, right? So, if you have a hard time throwing a disc, describe why you have a hard time throwing a disc and maybe somebody else will help you out. So just very loose, informal method of instruction. Next, I want to highlight a few of the course objectives. As you can imagine, objective number 1 is to have fun and learn. Objective number 2 is to get a fundamental understanding of the history of the flying disc and how it's used in many sports, not only in the United States, but across the world. Objective number 3 is to understand the culture of disc-based sports. Objective number 4 is to learn how to play ultimate frisbee. Objective number 5 is to learn how to play disc golf. And objective number 6 is to actively participate in this in the information in this course by going out in our lab sessions. I like to call them labs because you're going to be experimenting with disc-based sports. We're actually going to have you go out and do some disc golf, participate in some disc golf courses and disc golf games, and participate in ultimate frisbee games. All right. So as you can see here, the course is broken down into a few specific units. I only have a few outlined in the syllabus right now. I'll be populating that information as the course is going throughout the course itself. Right now, you can see I've just posted units 0, 1, and 2. We'll get further units in the future. All right, an important part of the course is being able to get to the texts for the course. As you can see here, I've highlighted 3 different texts. They're mostly involved with the history of the flying disc, but they're important that you're able to get to them and read through them because you'll be having reading quizzes based on those readings. Here I've outlined my grading plan. It's a pretty standard university-wide grading scheme. And last but not least, I'm just going to review quickly lab safety. Review the Unit 0 module within the content tool in Brightspace, and you'll find the waiver that we all need to sign before we participate in lab activities. It's a standard waiver, but it's very important that we have that before week 3 when we have our first field trip to the local disc golf course. All right, thank you. And without further ado, I hope you've had a good time watching this video, reviewing the syllabus, and taking the syllabus quiz. Remember, if you don't get a 100%, keep watching the video and retaking those quiz questions until you do get a 100% on the quiz. Thank you.